Hello, van life gardeners! Keeping your vertical or hanging garden healthy while on the road takes a little care and attention, but it's absolutely worth it. In today's video, I'll share essential tips for watering, feeding, and pruning your plants to keep your mobile garden productive and manageable. First up, regular maintenance is key to a successful van garden. Without proper care, plants can quickly become overgrown, undernourished, or even unhealthy. Here's how to stay on top of it, even in a confined space. Watering is critical, but it's all about balance in a van garden. Water plants sparingly to prevent overwatering, which can lead to root rot, especially in small containers. Use self-watering pots or drip irrigation systems to make watering easier and reduce spills while driving. Check soil moisture regularly by feeling the soil or using a moisture meter, and adjust watering based on your plant's needs. In a confined garden, nutrients deplete faster. Keep your plants nourished with these tips. Use water-soluble fertilizers that are easy to mix and distribute evenly in small spaces. Feed your plants every 1-2 weeks, depending on their growth stage and nutritional needs. Choose organic or low-odor fertilizers to keep your van environment pleasant. Pruning is essential for keeping your vertical and hanging gardens neat and healthy. Regularly remove yellowing or damaged leaves to encourage new growth and airflow. Trim back overgrown plants to prevent overcrowding and keep your garden manageable in small spaces. Pinch off flowers or buds on leafy greens to redirect energy into leaf production. Here are a few more tips to maintain a thriving garden on the road. Inspect plants weekly for pests or disease, and address issues immediately to prevent spread. Rotate plants in vertical setups to ensure even light exposure. Secure all planters before driving to avoid spills or damage. With regular care and these simple tips, your vertical and hanging gardens will stay healthy, productive, and beautiful, no matter where the road takes you. A little effort goes a long way to ensure your mobile garden thrives. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more van life gardening tips. Share your care and maintenance routines in the comments, and let's keep growing together on the go!